This is Field Pouch by Peak Design, because for everything you do, there's things you need. Everyday things, camera things, camp things, things that you want to keep all together. You don't have to think twice about where they are, so you can grab them and, well, do your things. That's why we designed a pouch that's equally suited for use as a solo day bag or for keeping your gear tucked and tidy in a larger pack. The unique roll-top opening grants easy access, massive expansion, and quick compression to minimize unused space. Inside, you'll find stretch pockets and zip pockets. Keep cords, cards, batteries, keys, even a small camera or lens, protected and organized. The adjustable strap enables crossbody carry or shoulder carry. You can even wear it on your belt. Works with a regular belt or a pro photo belt. For an ultralight shooting setup, attach capture. Keep your camera at the ready and your accessories neatly stowed. And by the way, this is actually Field Pouch V2, the included strap, the smart pocket layout, the dual capture points. They're all new, and it's completely repatterned, fitting all these features into clean lines for a timeless look. The weatherproof shell and soft internal felt liner are made from recycled bluesign approved fabrics. Field Pouch is 100% carbon neutral, made by fairly paid factory workers, available in 3 beautiful colors, and guaranteed for life. Field Pouch by Peak Design, for the things you need to do your things.